In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a cake from Kroger. By the end, you will have a custom cake ready to pick up for your event. Start by opening the Kroger app or website. Once it loads, you should see the Kroger logo at the top and a search bar near the center. If you are using the app, you might land on the Home tab with featured deals. On the website, you will see menus for departments and digital coupons. Now sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In button near the top right. Enter the email and password you normally use, then confirm. When you are signed in, your name or account icon will appear at the top, and you may see your recent orders. If you do not see that, you are probably not signed in yet. Next, select your Kroger store. On the app, this is usually labeled as your chosen store near the top. Tap or click it, then pick the store where you want to pick up your cake. A small confirmation will appear showing the store name, address, and distance. Many beginners forget this step and accidentally order from a different location, so make sure it lists the store you actually plan to visit. With your store set, go to Bakery. In the app or website, open the Departments or Shop menu and choose Bakery from the list. The page will refresh to show bakery items like bread, cupcakes, and desserts. You should see pictures of baked goods and some filters for different categories. From there, select Custom Cakes. Look for a section or tile named Custom Cakes and open it. The display will switch to show cake options designed for birthdays, graduations, weddings, and more. At this point, you are in the right place for building a personalized cake order. Now choose your cake type. Browse through the styles such as sheet cakes, round cakes, or themed designs. When you pick one, select it, and you will see a detailed page with the options for that specific cake type, including its general size range and how many people it can serve. Next, choose the cake size. You will see options like quarter sheet or half sheet with serving estimates. Select the size that matches how many guests you expect. The page will highlight the size you pick and update any price shown. After that, choose the cake flavor. Typical options include vanilla, chocolate, and sometimes marble or other flavors, depending on your store. Tap or click the flavor you want. The selected flavor will be marked so you can confirm your choice before moving on. Now choose the icing. You might see options like buttercream, whipped, or other icings, and some may have different colors. Select the icing that matches your taste and theme. When chosen, it will be clearly indicated on the screen so you know it will be used for your cake. Then select the design. You can click through available decoration styles or themes, such as floral, character, or simple borders. When you select one, you will usually see a preview image of that design on your cake type. If multiple color options are part of the design, those choices will appear here as well. Next, add a cake message. Look for the text box where you can type what you want written on the cake, such as a name or greeting. Pay attention to any character limit shown so your message fits. Many stores print exactly what you type, so double-check spelling and capitalization before you continue. With the cake customized, choose your pickup date. A calendar will appear, and available days will be selectable. Pick the exact day you want to collect your cake, keeping in mind that very early days might not allow enough time. Once you select a date, it will show clearly on the order summary. We'll now review your order. Carefully read through the summary showing cake type, size, flavor, icing, design, message, and pickup date. If something looks off, this is the point where you can still go back and adjust the earlier choices. When all details match what you want, move ahead. Next, pay online. The payment screen will appear with your order total. Enter your payment details or choose a saved method, then confirm. After payment is processed, you should see a confirmation page with an order number, plus an email sent to your account address containing the same information. Then submit your order. On many screens, this is the final button labeled to complete or place the order. When you tap or click it, the system finalizes everything, and the confirmation page refreshes with your pickup location and date. At this point, your cake order is officially scheduled. When it is time to get your cake, go to your Kroger store. Head inside through the main entrance. Make sure the store matches the location shown in your confirmation, especially if you have several Kroger stores nearby. Next, visit the bakery counter. Walk to the bakery area where you see bread, pastries, and the cake display. The service counter is usually near the decorated cakes and bakery staff. Go to the counter and wait for a team member if someone is not already there. Then show your order confirmation. You can present the email on your phone or a printed copy. The staff will check the name, order number, and pickup date against their records. Once they confirm it, they will bring out your finished cake. usually in a clear or windowed box so you can take a quick look. Finally, pick up your cake. The bakery staff will hand it to you, and once you accept it, the order is complete. Take a moment to check the message and decorations before leaving the bakery area. With that, your custom Kroger cake is ready to travel home or to your event. You just ordered a fully customized Kroger cake online and picked it up from the bakery counter, ready to serve. If this walkthrough helped you get your cake sorted, a quick thumbs up helps others find it too, and feel free to subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.